Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve the Microsoft Excel you can't change part of an array error. This error appears when trying to edit or modify a portion of the array formula without respecting the array structure. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix you can't change part of an array error using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Evaluate the array formula. The very first solution you can try is to evaluate the array formula. Microsoft Excel offers an excellent feature known as Evaluate Formula that help you to step through the formula to check the intermediate results. To do so, select the spreadsheet cell with a formula. Click Formulas tab, then Evaluate Formula under the group Formula Auditing. Under Opened Evaluate Formula dialog box, you have to click on Evaluate option to verify the formula and to see which portion is causing the issue. Solution 2. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause issues when editing or modifying a portion of the array formula on the spreadsheet. To fix such issues, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Check the conditional formatting. The next solution is to check the conditional formatting rules. Sometimes, this error can be prompted due to breaking of conditional formatting rules in Excel. To do so, go to Home tab, and then click on Conditional Formatting. After this, click on Manage Rules to check if there are any guidelines that reference arrays. Solution 4. Review Excel options. Sometimes, Excel settings can cause unexpected behavior, including you can't change part of an array error. To solve it, you have to review the Excel options within Formulas. For this, open the faulty Excel sheet. Then go to File. Click on Options. Then Formulas. Now, make sure that Enable Iterative Calculation and Enable Multi-Threaded Calculation are appropriately set. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing you can't change part of an array error in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.